Hey everyone, welcome to Thousand Islands Toyota, located at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. I'm Rachel, and today I'm going to be showing you the 2020 Toyota Highlander Limited in all-wheel drive. This is the opulent amber exterior color. It's got a 3.5-liter four-cylinder engine and puts out 295 horsepower and 263 pound-feet of torque. It's got a 68-liter tank and delivers fuel economy ratings of 8.7 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 8.6 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway. This equates to 24 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. Let's check out the interior. Okay, here we are on the driver's side. Driver's side door panel has black and gray wood grain trim, beige leather, power locks and windows, driver's seat memory system, front seats are leather, heated and ventilated, 8-way power adjustments for the driver and 4-way power adjustments for the passenger. Push start button, heated leather wrapped steering wheel with Bluetooth and audio controls. Top here we have the 7-inch color TFT multi-information display with our driver's assistance and safety sense 2.0 features, some of them being right here. And then just being up here. We're not working. There we go. Right there. So driver's assistance, controls. Rear door button and your heated seat, automatic high beams, 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with your backup camera display, navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, as well as Sirius XM satellite radio. All of your audio is heard throughout the 11-speaker JBL sound system. Climate control, dual zone, ventilated seat, heated seat controls, vents, small pocket or cubby there, right across to the passenger side panel. Underneath here we've got a pocket over here and 2 USB ports, audio input, power outlet here, wood grain continues, 2 cup holders, leather wrap shift knob, drive mode and multi-terrain select buttons, electronic brake hold, center console storage slides open to your wireless charging tray, which lifts into a pretty deep well. There's a power outlet here and a removable sliding tray. Passenger side door panel, power locks and windows. Looking up to the beautiful panoramic moonroof. And up top above our rear view mirror are the controls, integrated garage door opener, and the interior lighting controls, and the sunglass holder there. Let's jump back outside. 2020 Toyota Highlander Limited all-wheel drive has premium LED headlamps, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lamps, 20-inch alloy wheels, power adjustable heated exterior mirrors with integrated signal lamps, and puddle lamps with the Highlander logo, chrome roof rails, rear spoiler, rear bumper protector, and power rear door with kick sensor as well. Back here we have our seasonal mats, and our third row foldable 60-40 split foldable bench seat is folded down right now, so you can see the amount of cargo space you get. JBL speakers, and as you can see too, the third row has cup holders on each side there. Alright, back here, leather seats continue, beige leather seats, onto the second row 60-40 foldable bench seat with slide and recline options. Pull down armrest with cup holders. On the door panels we have power windows and the sunshade. Lots and lots of leg room. Back seat pockets. Climate control. 2 more USB charging ports. And an outlet, power outlet. On the floor here we have the tonneau cover. Power windows. Black and gray wood trim, or wood grain trim. The sunshade. Alright folks, that was the 2020 Toyota Highlander Limited in all-wheel drive in the opulent amber exterior color. Give us a call at 613-342-9111 and one of our product advisors would be happy to book you in for a test drive so you can check it out for yourself.